So springtime is here and time for the boys to start riding the Jeep again. What I've got here, I have a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old grandson, and so I've rigged up a kill switch circuit. From experimental days, I have this nifty remote control here. I'm going to pull the antenna out. It's a pretty neat remote control. It's got a good range, so I can control the Jeep, keep them safe from going near the highway and trees, obstacles, but it does move pretty good with the upgrades. Right here, if you see right there, that is the little remote control relay that captures a signal from the remote control. I do have a 30 amp relay circuit here. I'll have to put that relay in because there's no way this little guy can handle all the voltage coming through. And I have a bulb right here. This is just a test circuitry to show it works. And of course, it's an old test battery and some other relay junk. So anyway, when I hit the remote control now, you can see action happen. You'll see the bulb come on, and you'll see right there. So the bulb lit up. I have activity on my relay. Push the button again. Boom. And so push it again. Of course, this circuit is just showing it does work. Of course, I have to put it in place, and I'll feel better with these guys driving around near the highway here. If they happen to get out of control, I can kill the power very quickly. So anyway, that's the new improvement. I get it on there. I'll take another video, and hope your projects are going well also.